Before this video starts, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Thank you. We interrupt your YouTube session for a Tabard air. Tabard was killed by Raptor. Raptor, there's no bomb, but you have 30 chances. If you raise Ultra, the Tabard will be mine. I see you turn it off the first time. Well, whatever you do, don't turn it off again. You showed it then in the second time. Don't turn off the key reader again. Hey, did you just spin your iPad around? That counts as a turn off. You have 27 chances. You want to start to make me mad. You want to have 2 good chances until leaving my cousin. Don't let that happen. Get it with the startup! I swear, if you turn it off one more time, even more will pop up.